Okay, so what you'll need is a pair of scissors, a scalpel, the container that you're going to turn into a vase, some paint, and some some spray paint. My container was actually an oil bottle, so if you're going to use something like that, I suggest that you thoroughly wash it out so you don't have any residue and oil when it comes to painting and just handling it. So right now I'm just about to paint half of the container in white paint, and then I will leave it to dry. So while it was drying, I had a look at it, a closer look, and it just needed another layer. It wasn't opaque enough. So what I did was I took some spray paint at this point and I just tested it out to see if it was more effective than the paintbrush. And I actually preferred the results from the spray can, so I just did it all over, and this is the effect. I'm just unwrapping the packaging from the flowers, being careful because the flowers are quite fragile at this point, and I'm just picking out all the dried leaves and bits that had fallen off. So after placing them in the vase, I decided to take them out again and cut about an inch of the end of the stems, just so that they sat in the vase a lot better.